Well, if life leaves a dent in your day, don't you worry, we'll smooth it away. A little magic, a little care, we'll make it look like it was never there.
You parked your car at the grocery store, came back surprised like never before. A dent in the fender, now that ain't fair, but we've got the touch to repair with care.
No paint, no fillers, no worries to spare. We save that factory finish with flair.
Big dents,
Hail dent,
we handle with care.
then poof,
It's gone like it wasn't there.
ding, ding, don't you despair. Angelo Dent Removal's there. Big dents, small dents everywhere. We'll fix it up like it was never there. No repainting, we really care. Keeping your factory finish rare. Call today, let us repair.
Like it was never there.
Oh, like it was never there.
Like it was never there.
Oh, like it was never there. Hail came down from a Texas sky, left you poor eye, wondering why. But don't lose hope, don't shed a tear. We'll have that shine back crystal clear. 30 years and still going strong, fixing those dents all day long. Fast turnarounds and service so rare. We treat your car with extra care. Ding, ding, don't you despair. Angelo Dent Removal's there. Big dents, small dents everywhere. We'll fix it up like it was never there.
Repairing dents,
Without repainting,
that factory shine.
we ain't replacing. Call today, we'll show we care.
Like it was never there.
From hail damage to
Damage to
those parking lot blues,
parking lot blue.
we'll have your ride looking shiny and new. No bondo, no paint, just skill and repair. And Angelo Dent Removal, we care.
3 Crease, 6 Feet West 5.
Sherwood Way,
San Angelo, Texas, right.
right over there.
Call 325-703.
6149 for another flawless repair.